welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing a custom gasser. I did one before, but this one I am going to use these 3D printed bases to make them slammed. So I did a gasser that was a regular gasser, but this one I ordered from this guy on Instagram, and he makes slammed gasser bases. So I gotta do a lot of cutting, as you can see. So I gotta figure that out, but yeah, this should be a lot easier to slam it instead of trying to do it with this. So I'm gonna drill it out and then we can look at the insides. Alright, I just drilled it out, the rivets. So now we can look at what it looks like on the inside. So that's what we got. Interior, windshield, and this is the base, which I am going to use this instead. So I'm assuming I gotta get different wheels. Assuming this is the front. Oh, why don't I try it? No, this way. That is sick. So what I gotta do is chop the interior a lot, but god dang, look at that. That is literally perfect. Oh, sorry, this light is getting blocked. Dang, look at that. So that's what it's gonna be like. Does it have any wheels right here? These rubber wheels and these ones just for a mock-up. Boom, it's gonna be slammed. Nice. Alright, that will work. So yep, so you see this interior, we gotta chop a lot off. Those. Actually, this is part of the interior, is part of the chrome or the bumper, so I gotta chop that off. This whole section is getting chopped off, I believe. So back. Alright, put this in the stripper, and then I'll start working on this. Let's go. Figured out, I pretty much think so, how to put that base on to get it sit flat. This one is there. The screw is gonna hold that down like this. But so the interior, I chopped this whole back off and sanded all this down. And the guy that makes these bases said maybe I might have to take these fenders off. Depends what wheels I use. But for now, it looks good and flat, and this does sit nice and even. Alright, so I gotta figure out the wheels, and then this can go into the stripper. That's alright. Just got out of the stripper. You know what we gotta do? Sand it up, wire brush, sand it, get it nice and shiny, and then figure out what color I'm gonna paint it. But let me see, I might have some decals. And we got Dotson, Asians. Oh, right here. You do one of these. They put that on gassers. I got this. I can do a, what is this? Big ball of one. I thought I had a candy stripper on the top. Oh, maybe not. Oh, would they get mad if I do one of these? Hoo-hoo-hoo! Sick. Alright, I'll go look, think about it. You guys think too what I should do.
As the rain starts falling down.
Alright, I am finally done with the 55 gasser, or the slammed 55 gasser. So I got the candy blood red over, let me see if I can do this. Actually, I think I put it just straight over the metal after I polished it, but I did put some what was it called, silver flake thing inside of it, inside the paint, so I mixed it so you can, but I had to chop the interior a lot to get this slammed base from Instagram. MG Collectibles, I gotta figure that out. Okay, MG Collectibles sent me, I bought these bases from him, and so you can get slammed gassers, the little bit engine detail, painted inside black, painted my wheels. These wheels are actually white, and I painted them black. Some headlights. The decals is the cherry bomb. Put a license plate. Hold on. Yeah, but it took me a while just to get it rolling. But yep, my first slammed 55 gasser. Cherry bomb. This is actually for nobody. I just did it to see if I could do a slammed gasser since I had the bases. I got a couple more, so I'm gonna do more, and you've seen the stash I got of the 55 gassers, so it's pretty fun. I like it. I'll go put some pictures on Instagram, but yep. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hold on. Yes, Keanu. Alright, that is it. But yep, thank you for watching another episode. Nucollector. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications. Doing a lot more customs, well, video customs anyway. Alright.